In this video, we will show you how to change capital letter to lower in Microsoft Excel. There are three methods. First, this is to make all of this text is lower. You can just using lower formula. Then you can block your text and you can hit the enter or tab. You can see it's all text become the lower text or become lowercase. If you want to make in start of the words is using the capital case, you can using formula proper and block your text and hit tab or enter on your keyboard. You can see now the text in every start of the words is using capital case. Then finally you can just copy paste here. To make this is not formula, you can copy and paste just the values. Okay, and you done. To make the text on Microsoft Excel is lower, you can see, and this is in the formula and this is just become a text. You can also doing the same with the others. Just copy and paste as values, then you can wrap in here and this is the same. Now you have text from capital case into the lowercase. Okay, that's all tutorial how to change capital case in Microsoft Excel into the lowercase one. And hope this video helpful for you.